Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be going over the features of my new Tipkits work apron. I received this work apron as a gift from my sister for Christmas. Currently, if you have seen any of my other videos, you know I use a cooking apron to protect my clothes, so I am beyond thrilled to have this new woodworking apron for my shop. So, let's get started. First, for starters, I'd like to just say it comes in this really nice box. So let's go ahead and open it up. It also comes in plastic. It's a super rugged canvas. And let's just go ahead and put this on. What I really like about this apron is that it has padded shoulders, which is great for me. After it's over your head, you just put your arms through here. And then you just take this buckle. And as you can see, there's plenty of room for adjustment, and you can just tighten it like this. So it's super comfortable to wear. I'm about 5'7". It's about right above my knees. I like to wear my apron pretty high. I do a lot of cutting on the scroll saw. And when I'm sitting down, my piece can sometimes get snagged if I have the apron too low or not tight enough. So I definitely like to keep mine up a little bit higher. Now let's talk about some of the features. What I really like about this work apron is that there's this little pocket with Velcro that holds your cell phone. I like to wear sweatpants in the wintertime. When I'm working in the shop, it's a little cooler. So my cell phone is constantly falling out of my pocket. Or I have a sweatshirt on because it's a little chilly in here and I have to dig inside my apron, inside my sweatshirt pocket. So now I'm going to have it right here and easily accessible. Up here there are two little pockets that can hold your pencil, or for me, my little pokey tool for when I am doing my scroll saw cutting. I'll no longer have to fish around in my pockets for that as well, so that is pretty exciting for me. Right here is a little magnetic strip. If you're working on a project and you have a few screws or nails that you just want to keep track of, those can stick right on there. It is a pretty strong magnet. These pockets are quite large. I may or may not have a slight problem when it comes to tape measures. When I'm working in the shop, I tend to collect tape measures. And these pockets are quite large, so I'm not really sure how many tape measures I could fit in here, but that could be a problem. We also have two pockets right here, so plenty of pockets. We also have a little loop right here that could hold your hammer, or it could hold a rag, which is probably what I'll use it for, is a rag. I don't really carry around a hammer too much. So that could hang right off there. It also has this little loop right here. This would be great for a hammer or a tape measure. So this is probably what I'll use it for. My only complaint is that I am right-handed, so I kind of wish that the rag loop was over here and the tape measure. Like, this is perfect for a tape measure, but I just don't know how reaching across my body will go because I kind of like it on this side. So I don't know, maybe I'll just hang it off a pocket or something. I'm not really sure, but I do wish that it was swapped. So that'd be my only complaint. Like I said, it's very heavy duty. It's kind of heavy to wear, but it's going to protect my clothes. Leave me a comment and let me know what your preferred work apron is, or if you're watching this video to decide which kind to buy. If you found value in this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to stay up to date on all my latest projects, tips, or to be inspired. Or maybe you want to see more videos like this one. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Stronger by Grace Designs. I am super excited to start the new year with my new work apron. Now it's time to set some new goals for the year 2023. Happy New Year, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching!